All right, let's start the Scout. There is a little rust on the Scout. Here's my magnet, and I found it this area right in here, and I've marked it with the tape, so pretty much right in there there's a rust hole that was filled with Bondo, but up here we see it's all solid. And then along the rocker, driver's side rocker here, we go up to about here, and it gets pretty weak. But up above that and past it is good. And then, where was it? Oh, I guess from there to there, in there is weak. But we come back here and we see this is all solid. Here on the passenger side, I've marked a piece of tape here. It was weak magnet down around and through here, so I don't know if that was a dent. But down here along that bottom rocker, that magnet stays on real good, and all the way up and into the door on both sides it's like that. Then we'll come over here. Okay, it looks pretty good. Same here with this quarter panel on both sides. Magnet sticks just fine. Back there. Same thing here on the driver's side. The magnet sticks really good. The floors seem good. That's really hard metal. You can see some pock marks that a shag carpet has caused, but that's the only rust there, surface. Then there's little areas like this, little rust through there, not bad. Little rust hole over here on this passenger side outrigger on the back side, but the rest looks really good. Same over here. It's all solid metal. You can see the pock marks, but that's a thick, really thick piece of metal.